Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this math problem. First, we do this. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and there is multiplication here. 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18, and 18 divided by 18 equals 1. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work this. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 6. According to this rule, first we have to work this. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 6 multiplied by 6, this equals 36, and this is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. It's 36. That's all. Thank you.